In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Mailchimp in just about 5 minutes. Adding a video to your email campaigns can be an engaging way to connect with your audience, and I'll guide you step by step through this process. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. Once there, log into your account with your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for one for free and follow along. After logging in, you'll land on the Mailchimp dashboard, which serves as your campaign control center. Next, let's start creating a campaign. Look for the Campaigns tab in the main navigation bar, click on it, and then choose Create Campaign. From the options provided, select Email to start crafting your email content. This will open the email editor where you can structure your email as desired. Inside the email editor, you'll see a variety of content block options on the right-hand side. To add video content, simply locate the video content block. You can then drag this block over to the desired location in your email draft. This allows you to directly integrate video content and makes your email much more dynamic. Mailchimp supports video links from popular platforms such as YouTube, Vimeo, and Wistia. Before proceeding, make sure your video is uploaded to one of these platforms, as it's essential for seamless integration. Once your video is ready, grab the video link. This is usually found under the video share options on your chosen platform. Paste this copied video link into the URL field provided in the video content block. Mailchimp cleverly transforms this URL into a clickable thumbnail that beautifully fits into your email layout. This thumbnail will also include a play button overlay, intuitively signaling to your readers that this is a video that they can watch with a simple click. Once the thumbnail is in place, you have a few customization options that can enhance your email's visual appeal. You can adjust the size of the video thumbnail based on the design needs of your email. Additionally, you can tweak the border settings to match the overall theme of your email campaign and align the video to your preferred side, ensuring everything looks polished and tidy. And just like that, you have successfully integrated a video into your Mailchimp email campaign. Including videos can significantly boost engagement and provide better interaction with your audience. Remember to preview your email before sending it out to ensure everything looks perfect. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your email marketing strategy with videos in Mailchimp. If you found this content useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy emailing!